Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews today, and we got the Allen Roth vanity light that I bought, what my girlfriend picked out. So we're going to install this. You're going to see a review, unboxing review, and we're going to install it above the medicine cabinet up there. We got like a nickel finish is what she picked out, a brushed nickel, because it's going to match the curtain rod that we got. That's nickel, and we got all the doorknobs in nickel. So we're hoping, everything is going to match with a little nickel kind of color, except the shower head, because shower head's in chrome, because that's the cheap, I don't know, it was the cheapest one they had. So, well, not the cheapest, but it was the most efficient. It was chrome. It's $15 more for the nickel. I didn't want to do it. So anyway, I think it's still a Delta, so Delta's still good. So let's open this up and get doing a little unboxing review of it. It's an LED 3-light vanity bar. This is pretty much what it looks like. We're hoping it's going to be nice. Hopefully it's not broken. We got, how many inches is this? It's pretty small. It's 22 inches, so it's going to be tiny, which kind of stinks. Let's see if my girlfriend likes the way it looks before I even install it. So we'll do an unboxing review so I can close out the video at least on an unboxing. But I don't know if she's going to want this, and maybe she wants something a little bigger. I'm not sure of the lumen output. I'll check on the back and let you know what it says. It says lumens. 1160 lumens, it says. 50,000 hours to 888K, 2800K, and 24 watts is what it uses. So, like I said, I'm going to take a picture for her and see what it looks like. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like above my vanity, so you guys have an idea what it looks like as well, so just in case you're interested in it. So this is what it's going to look like above my vanity. So above my vanity and my mirror, my seckel, the medicine cabinet. So yeah. So let's hold this up. So that's kind of what it's going to look like. It's going to go over like this, and it's going to look like that. So let me see if she's okay with that, and we're going to go on. I mean, I got to center it. But yeah, that's kind of what it's going to look like, so you guys can see what it'll look like over my setup in here. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing review for Glen Velvet Reviews. If my girlfriend likes it, I'm going to get the install going, and I'll just add it onto this video. If not, that's all the unboxing, because I'm going to return it and get another one, and maybe a little bit longer. Pretty much like I said, if you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community. Thanks a lot, guys. I'm out. Bye-bye.